Beloved family, welcome. In a world filled with uncertainty, conflict, and heavy hearts, we pause together to seek something our souls deeply need: peace. No matter where you are watching from, take a deep breath. Let go of fear, anger, and anxiety, and open your heart as we come together in prayer, believing that peace can begin with us and spread across the world. God of mercy and compassion, we come before you longing for peace, not just for ourselves, but for the entire world. Where there is war, bring an end to violence. Where weapons speak louder than compassion, silence them with your justice. Where nations are divided, release wisdom, restraint, and reconciliation. Where there is hatred, sow understanding. Soften hardened hearts, break cycles of revenge, and replace bitterness with forgiveness and humility. Where there is fear, replace it with hope. Hope for the displaced, the oppressed, the forgotten, and for every soul longing for safety and dignity. Heal the wounded, both seen and unseen. Comfort families who grieve losses caused by conflict. Wrap your presence around children growing up in chaos, and remind them they are not abandoned. Guide leaders across the world. May they choose justice over power, dialogue over division, and service over selfish ambition. Teach us to be instruments of your peace. Help us to listen before judging, to love beyond borders, and to act with compassion in our daily lives. Let peace begin in our hearts, flow into our homes, our communities, our nations, and spread across the entire world. Amen. Thank you for praying with us today. If this prayer brought you comfort or hope, please like, share, and subscribe, so this message of peace can reach someone else who needs it. May peace guard your heart, guide your thoughts, and rest upon the world. Until next time, stay blessed.